Okay, another fresh trade-in here at Victory Honda of Plymouth. This is a 2023 Honda CRVEXL. So this is one of the higher trim levels. It's got leather interior, alloy wheels, moonroof, memory seating. That's also power seating. It's got a power lift gate in the rear. This particular one is all-wheel drive and it only has 16,000 miles on it. That's right. It's a one-owner, clean Carfax, very clean car. Just traded in. They've had it for almost 3 years. They just picked up their new one. This is in immaculate condition. The way you see it is the way that it was just traded. We're going to take it through the shop. We're going to do the Honda Certified inspection. That's a 182-point inspection. We check it out from top to bottom, front to back, side to side. Make sure the brakes, the fluids, the filters, the tires, everything is up to Honda specification. Then they back it with the Honda Certified warranty, 7 years, 100,000 miles, good at any Honda dealership. It's definitely a good program, gives you the best warranty for the vehicle. You can take it to any Honda dealership if you ever have a problem. Victory Honda, we make sure you get both sets of keys. You have the books, the maintenance records, the Carfax report, all the service history. It also comes with complimentary 2-year maintenance program. That's what we do here at Victory Honda Plymouth. 6 oil changes, 6 tire rotations, good for 2 years. So you get that along with the vehicle. Show you the moonroof, show you the leather with the power seat, the memory seating there. And just show you the dash, the miles with only 16,000 miles on it. This one's just barely been used. There's the infotainment system. Like I said, 2 sets of keys right there with remote start. It's got a number on the back of the key because it's got the memory seating, so you can program the keys to the position. We're going to detail it inside and out. Come check it out today. Victory Honda Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Give us a call, 734-453-3600. This one could be yours. Thank you.